Let's all welcome Jeb, a junior from Bloomington, Illinois. Jeb's passion for racing and marketing came together at UNOH, where the university's career services office and well-developed industry partnerships fuel big dreams. From NASCAR internships to motorsports marketing, UNOH makes career connections real. Take it away, Jeb.
Thanks, Alex. What's up, guys? As a kid, I got my love for racing from my grandpa. As a teenager, I worked on a professional dirt late model team. UNOH happened to sponsor the series that we competed in, and I never looked back. I always knew that I wanted to go to a school that supported my dream career. UNOH provides so many opportunities to get involved and get hands-on experience. Students are able to make industry connections with companies like Monster Jam, Formula Drift, NASCAR, and the Lucas Oil Late Model Dirt Series. When I was on the technical side of the college, I completed 2 years as a crew chief for the UNOH Motorsports team. Through the team, I interned as a crewman for Garrett Albertson's Lucas Oil Late Model Dirt Series team. Now, as a business marketing student, I'm able to learn about the business side of the industry I love. I'm learning how to manage teams and propose marketing options to sponsors across the country and the world. Nowhere else can you learn in the classroom on the weekdays and then work at the highest levels of racing on the weekends. This is all thanks to UNOH's career services. They have connections throughout so many industries and can help students build resumes, train for job interviews, or even get internships. With the hands-on experience I've gained on the tech side, the marketing expertise I'm learning on the business side, the connections I've made through career services, and the numerous opportunities I've had on the motorsports team, I have everything I need to succeed. I don't know where I'd be without UNOH. I know that this is the place for me, and I'm proud to be a racer. Back to you, Alex.
Great work, Jeb. We are so pumped to see your success, and thanks for sharing how a UNOH education in the classrooms and shops can lead straight to a career at the racetrack or the boardroom. UNOH truly does turn your passion into a career. Thanks again, Jeb.